Okay, everyone, I am really sick and tired of people thinking it is okay to tamper with fire alarms. Let me tell you, it is absolutely not okay at all to tamper with fire alarms. Unless you have your own fire alarms at home. But in a public building, tampering with fire alarms is absolutely not okay at all. Remember, fire alarms were made to save people's lives. They were not made so you can play with them. Fire alarms alert people when there is a fire inside the building so they can evacuate the building immediately and also contact the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why it is absolutely not okay for any reason to tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. If you are caught tampering with fire alarms in public buildings, you will get into very serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police because tampering with fire alarms is a very serious felony because you are putting people's lives in very real danger by doing so. So do not do it. And if any of you think it is okay to tamper with fire alarms, please grow up and listen to me. Tampering with fire alarms is absolutely a very bad idea. It is very bad. You will face very serious consequences. I am not responsible for your actions if you are caught tampering with fire alarms. So, do not ever tamper with fire alarms. Or else you will end up like Mikey. Remember Mikey? He pulled the fire alarm to skip a test. Or what he thought it was a test. It was a game or a pop quiz. And he got arrested for doing that. So, do not do that kind of stuff. Also, this girl named HAILEY pulled the fire alarm to get out of a class assignment. Several years ago, and she got arrested for doing that. So, this is dead serious. These people going to jail tells me why it is a bad idea to tamper with fire alarms. If you don't listen to me when I say never tamper with fire alarms, you will be locked up in jail. And you don't want that, so always listen to me when I say never ever tamper with fire alarms. If you are against me, you will be in a lot of hot water. So do not do that. Goodbye.